I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gliding discs. These versatile tools can enhance your workouts by adding instability and challenging your core. You'll place them under your hands or feet, depending on the exercise, to create a smooth, low-impact movement. Always ensure the correct side of the disc is facing the floor for optimal glide, whether you're on carpet or a hard surface. They are fantastic for engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Gliding discs are excellent for core strengthening. For mountain climbers, place the discs under your feet and slide your knees alternately towards your chest, maintaining a strong plank. Pikes involve placing discs under your feet, then lifting your hips high while keeping your legs straight, pulling your feet towards your hands. Plank jacks are another great option. From a plank, slide your feet out wide and then back together, engaging your obliques. For your lower body, gliding discs add a new dimension to classic moves. Perform lunges by placing one disc under a foot and sliding it back, ensuring your front knee stays over your ankle. Hamstring curls are effective. Lie on your back with discs under your heels, then slide your heels towards your glutes, lifting your hips. Lateral lunges involve sliding one foot out to the side, bending the opposite knee, and keeping your chest up. Gliding discs can also target your upper body and provide full-body challenges. For push-up variations, place discs under your hands and slide one hand forward or out to the side as you lower. Burpees become more dynamic by sliding your feet back into a plank and then forward. Remember to maintain control throughout each movement, engaging your core and breathing steadily. These discs offer a low-impact way to build strength and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.